internet, welcome to this month's Zenpop box unboxing. I have lost track as to which month this is for, so it could either be for April or March. I'm pretty sure it's April. We're currently in April, so I'd be surprised if it was May. And I'm just gonna get right into the unboxing. So, oh wow, they've covered it with tissue paper. They don't usually do that. So we've got your little thank you note and, oh yep, it's the April pack. It's a lucky cat pack, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna love this one. I already know it. I can feel it in my bones. I'm gonna really like this pack. Okay, cool. Tissue paper is kind of a nice touch, but I don't really think it's completely necessary. All right, so I'm gonna take the pens out first and I'm gonna try them out at the end of the video. Is this a highlighter? Yep. Yep. Okay, cool. So I'll put these aside. And I guess we'll get straight into it. So obviously, first thing I noticed with these little cat paws, I have a lot of these custom post-it notes, but I don't think I have the cat paw one. I think I have similar though. I've had friends give them to me and oh my gosh, they're just adorable. The problem with me is that it's so cute that I don't want to use them up, although I take forever to use them up, to be honest. But yes, oh, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, so this is a little notebook. Nira Meko. All right, so according to the sheet, I'm just gonna open this up, but according to the sheet, Nirameko is kind of a kid's game in Japan where you stare at someone, I think you look at 3 different people and then you make a funny face and the person who laughs is the loser. So that's kind of a cute game. But yeah, oh, it's dot grid. That's so precious. It's very faint, so I'm not sure if it comes up on camera, but it's like a dot grid notepad with cats on it. I mean, I feel like I just want to keep this in my purse just to take notes and stuff like that. I feel like it'd be perfect for just jotting down things I need. I have a lot of notebooks or notepads that would do that, but I just kind of like the aesthetics for this one. It's just very, very cute. Then we have this, which is kind of like a really long notepad. But they have like the lucky cat in front of it. But yeah, this is pretty thick and it's like a really, really long notepad. You see these cats everywhere in Japan. I think the white cat is supposed to represent luck and the black cat is supposed to represent like protection or something along those lines. So you know how those cats like go up and down with their arms if you see them, especially in Asian shops in the storefront. If it raises its right hand, it's supposed to bring money. If it brings the left hand, it's supposed to bring people. And then we have some bulldog clips. I call them bulldog clips. I don't know what other people call them just because there's those really big ones that I've seen used in fashion shoots. And so as a kid growing up, they always just called them bulldog clips. I still don't know why. This is from the Sanrio line. Sanrio line. And I think this guy is called Pom Pom Puddin. Pom Pom Puddin. He's like a little dog. Then we have some stickers, 2 sets of stickers. So they're cat stickers. I really want to try doing a plan with me featuring all these kind of like Japanese, Asian inspired stickers that I tend to get in these boxes or that I've purchased, because I tend to use them for like personal planners and stuff like that, but I think it would be really fun to do an Erin Condren spread using these sort of stickers. So this is like a food inspired cat sticker and these are job inspired cat stickers. Oh, you've got doctor, housewife, cook. That's so cute. I wonder if my job's on here. It is not on here. My job is just basically sitting at a computer. So there's no computer cat here. Oh well. So yeah, those are the stickers. And then we have, oh no, there's one more here. It's an eraser. Oh, it's a little lucky cat, the purple one. It's an adorable little purple lucky cat. He's an eraser, but obviously I will not use him. I'm just gonna keep him situated on my desk. And then we have some washi tape. So I'm just gonna open these up and I'm gonna actually take the box away and then zoom in. So these are 2 washi tapes, obviously cat inspired. I love this darker one. And then we have a really light, it's kind of like cat with sakura on it. I would pull them open to show you guys, but I have done that in the past and the problem is it makes it less sticky later on and then they don't, like I feel like I'm wasting it because I'm not using it. So I will try. I really want to start using washi tape again for spreads or plant me's or anything like that. So yeah, maybe I'll use these in one of those videos. I'm gonna get my notebook and we're gonna start trying out these pens. Okay, so I couldn't find my notebook. I don't know where it's gone. So I've just taken a sheet out of a KikK planner. I don't tend to use the planner paper in KikK because I find it to be a bit too thin. So I don't like to throw them out either. I just don't like throwing anything out, to be honest, unless I'm completely done with it. So I keep them hoping I'll find a use for them, and I have. Okay, so we've got 4 pens here. I'm going to try this highlighter out first. It is a Uni Pro Mark View. And I think the point of these highlighters that I can tell, you can see how they've got, maybe I should zoom you guys in more. I don't know if that's too zoomed in. But if you can see, it's kind of clear just here. And that's also so that when you're highlighting, you can see the text ahead of you so that you can make sure you highlight in a straight line. Because I know I screw that up a lot, especially when I was studying and I would highlight my textbook and I wouldn't be able to see, so my lines would go a little wonky. So I kind of wish I had these when I was back in university because that would have been so much fun. But it seems like a pretty, yeah, see, even though I have the glass, I'm still doing it wonky, but you know, let's just ignore that. Standard highlighter. I like it. I just don't know if I would use it a lot because I don't usually highlight textbooks at this point in my life anymore. But you never know. So this pen is from Sakura. It's a glitter gel pen. It's yellow. Okay, there you go. Oh, I don't know if it was out of focus, but yeah, it's a yellow glitter pen from Sakura. And ooh, a little sticky thing on the top. Alright. Okay, let's give this a go. Wow. Okay, it is super inky. Did you guys see that? Oh, sorry, it was right on the side. Let me try again. Okay. Wow. I'm telling you guys, it looks very different in person than it does on camera. I'm going to try and just twist it so you can kind of see how reflective it is. Yeah. See how reflective? That's what it looks like from my angle, because I'm kind of looking at it on an angle, but if you look at it top down, it looks very saturated. That is kind of cool. But it does look like it might take a while to dry down if I was to, yeah. I think it would take a little bit to dry down. No bleed through though. A little bit of, like, this bleeds through a little bit more. Well, bleed through as in you can see through. None of these actually bleeding through. You can see it, but yeah. Kind of cool. I'm not really sure what I'd use it for though, but you know, it's good to have it in the collection. Then we have a Uniball Signa 0.5. I think I have the 0.28 versions of these, so I already know they're really great gel pens, but this is 0.5. I prefer the finer tips. But yeah, it's a great pen. Like these Uniball pens from the Signo line, they are really, really good quality, top-notch pens, in my opinion. I know that for a lot of people, I feel like the more videos I do, I come across a lot of different people who have very strong opinions about what constitutes as good quality or what constitutes as easy to use or how you use certain pens. Everybody has a very opinion, I suppose. Everybody has an opinion on how you should do it, and so I always have to just kind of mention in videos that this is just my opinion, this is just how I use them. I'm comfortable with the way I'm using things, and I'm open to suggestions so long as they are friendly suggestions. Okay, so the last pen is a Sasada clip pen. I actually have a lot of these already. I'm not sure if it's 0.3 though. I'm not sure if I have this particular color, but mine are very plain. This has kind of a deco on the outside, a cat deco, which is really cute. So I'm just gonna try it out. Sarasa. Sorry, did I say it wrong? I'm like, I was going to say Sasara, and I'm like, no, it's Sarasa. Okay, sorry, let me try again. Yeah, it's a really great gel pen. Orange is an interesting color. I don't think I use orange very much. I definitely feel like I'm much more of just a simple black girl. I don't tend to change the colors of my pens that much, but both pens are really good. Highly recommend them. I already have them in my collection, so I know I like them. And yeah, so that's pretty much it in this month's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, then be sure to subscribe. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.